we are here in Venice today from Mulholland Brand. We just completed a beautiful job here with a glass gate, a pedestrian gate with a smart lock on it. I'm going to demonstrate for you how it works. This job came out absolutely beautiful, very quiet, in fact whisper quiet, and it runs beautifully. As you know, these are all powder coated in our facility in Canoga Park, Los Angeles. Here's an inside view. There's the motor. I'm going to go ahead and close it. You can see the closing action. We have it on slow down speed for safety. Here's an inside view of the property. We also installed a mailbox here. And here's the smart lock I was talking about. Close it. There it is. All right, guys, thank you for watching. And here's Michael, the homeowner.
Hey, how's it going? Great work. That you guys, I really appreciate all your work and all that you guys went way beyond expectations. So I really appreciate it.
Thank you very much. And would you recommend Mulholland for other people?
You guys are perfect.
All right. Thank you, Michael. We'll see you in hopefully in the next project.
Absolutely.
Over and out.
Take care.